If you're over 60 and you keep waking up around 3 o'clock every morning, don't assume it's simply a normal part of getting older. For some people, it's the bladder. For others, it's changing hormones. And many have no idea what wakes them up in the first place. The good news is that many of these nighttime awakenings can be explained by science, and in many cases, they can also be improved. Tonight, I'll explain why this happens, what it could mean for your health, and most importantly, what you can do to sleep through the night again. But first, let me tell you about someone I'll call David. His story may sound surprisingly familiar. Secure your future and enjoy your retirement.
Thank you.
Your financial stability leads to your peace of mind. The early morning hours can be a time of worry. Let's talk about what's keeping you awake. There was no loud noise, no nightmare, and no obvious reason. He was simply awake, and falling back asleep became harder every week. At first, David thought it was just part of getting older. He believed it would eventually go away on its own. But after a few months, the lack of restful sleep began to affect his days. He felt more tired, less focused, and not quite like himself. Tonight, I'll explain why this happens, what it could mean for your health, and most importantly, what you can do to sleep through the night again.
Even after spending enough hours in bed, he woke up feeling exhausted, as if his body had never truly rested.
That's when David decided it was time to ask his doctor a simple question. Why do I keep waking up at 3 o'clock every morning? Together, we'll navigate your health with care and expertise, utilizing the latest insights. His doctor asked him a question that seemed almost too simple. How have you been sleeping lately? That single question revealed the real cause of the problem. Sleep is much more than simple closing your eyes. Every night, your brain and your body begin one of the most important repair processes of the entire day. Through cellular rejuvenation and optimized immune response, we can achieve remarkable advancements in health. But when your sleep is interrupted night after night, those repair processes may never be completed the way your body needs them to. That's why some people spend 8 hours in bed and still wake up feeling completely exhausted the next morning. So why does this happen so often after the age of 60? The answer begins with changes that occur deep inside the body. The first reason many adults wake up around 3 in the morning after age 60 is a change in the body's internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm. As we get older, this internal clock naturally shifts forward. Many older adults become sleepy earlier in the evening and wake up much earlier in the morning. Another important change involves melatonin, the hormone that helps your brain recognize when it's time to stay asleep. After the age of 60, the body usually produces less melatonin. As a result, sleep becomes lighter and much easier to interrupt. Because sleep is lighter, even a small noise, a full bladder, or a normal hormonal change can wake you up much more easily than it did years ago. This is one of the main reasons why waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning becomes much more common after the age of 60.
The second reason involves cortisol, often called the body's natural wake-up hormone. Its job is to help you become alert and ready for the day.
Understanding your circadian rhythm and its impact on morning energy is crucial. Let's look at the science behind it. As we age, this hormone rhythm may become less stable. In some people, cortisol begins to rise earlier than it should. When that happens, your brain may receive a signal that it's time to wake up, even though it's still the middle of the night. Many people describe this as waking up suddenly with no obvious reason. In reality, it may simply be an early hormonal wake-up signal. This change is a normal part of aging for many adults. However, frequent early morning awakenings should still be discussed with your healthcare provider. The third common reason is a change in bladder function. This becomes much more common after the age of 60. As we grow older, the bladder usually holds less urine, while the kidneys may produce more urine during the night. As a result, many older adults wake up 1 or more times during the night simply because they need to use the bathroom. The bigger problem is not waking up. The bigger problem is that many people cannot fall back asleep once they return to bed. Every time your sleep is interrupted, your brain must work to enter deep sleep again. That process becomes less efficient as we age.
If you're waking up to use the bathroom every night, It's important to identify the underlying cause instead of assuming it's just a normal part of aging.
The respiratory system is a marvel of efficiency. Air travels bronchial tubes into the alveoli.
Sleep apnea occurs when muscles relax, blocking the airway. The body's natural response.
Common warning signs include loud snoring, gasping for air during sleep, and waking up with a dry mouth or morning headache.
Good morning. Today we're discussing sleep. As you can see, the sleep stages here are quite fragmented.
Untreated sleep apnea can lead to daytime fatigue, poor concentration, memory problems, and a higher risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke.
If you snore loudly, stop breathing during sleep, or wake up feeling unrefreshed every morning, talk with your healthcare provider. I've found that integrating restorative sleep with focused mental exercises significantly enhances my patients' cognitive function and overall well-being.
Many people wake up at 3 in the morning and immediately begin thinking about their health, their family, finances, or other personal concerns. Once your brain becomes fully alert, stress hormones increase, making it even more difficult to return to deep, restorative sleep.
The harder you try to force yourself back to sleep, the more alert your brain may become. This is a very common pattern in chronic insomnia. Practicing slow, rhythmic breathing exercises has been shown to significantly reduce stress levels and improve overall well-being. Healthy relaxation techniques, a dark, cool bedroom environment, and a consistent schedule can significantly improve your sleep quality. I understand that navigating the world of wellness can be overwhelming, but simple choices can make a significant difference in your daily health.
Diuretics may cause frequent nighttime urination. Some antidepressants, steroids, and other medications may also interfere with normal sleep.
If your sleep changed soon after starting a new medication, discuss it with your healthcare provider. Never stop taking a prescribed medicine without medical advice.
Occasionally waking up during the night is normal, but when this happens almost every night for a long period of time, the effects can slowly begin to impact your health.
Welcome. Today, we delve into the science of physical restoration, exploring how to unlock true balance.
The first area affected is often the brain. Deep sleep plays an important role in organizing memories, clearing waste, and maintaining healthy brain function.
Over time, poor sleep can make it harder to focus, remember information, and think clearly. Many older adults notice these changes during normal daily activities.
The connection between proper sleep and your cardiovascular system is vital. Ensure a good night's rest for a healthy heart.
When your body does not get enough quality sleep, stress hormones may remain elevated. Over time, this can contribute to higher blood pressure and increased heart strain.
The immune system is a complex network working tirelessly to protect us. It's a marvel of biology, and understanding its defenses is key to our health.
Another important effect of poor sleep involves your metabolism. When sleep is disrupted for a long time, your body may have more difficulty controlling blood sugar levels. Poor sleep can also affect hormones that control hunger and appetite. Some people may gain weight more easily because their body's signals become unbalanced.
Over many months or years, repeated sleep problems may increase the risk of insulin resistance and other metabolic health problems.
Sleep does not only affect the body, it also has a powerful effect on your emotions, stress levels, and mental well-being. People who regularly lose sleep may experience more irritability, anxiety, and a lower ability to handle everyday stress.
For older adults, another serious concern is balance and safety. Lack of sleep can slow reaction time and increase the risk of falls and accidents. The final effect is on quality of life. When you constantly feel tired, even simple activities can become more difficult and less enjoyable. When poor sleep continues for a long time, many older adults begin to feel that they are losing energy, motivation, and independence in their daily lives. This is why protecting your sleep after 60 is not just about feeling less tired. It is about protecting your long-term health and maintaining a better quality of life. Understanding your sleep is the first step to better health. Let's look at these patterns together. The first step is to strengthen your body's internal clock. Natural sunlight in the morning is one of the most powerful signals that tells your brain when the day begins. Try to get morning sunlight for 15 to 30 minutes whenever possible. This helps regulate melatonin production and improves your sleep rhythm at night. Staying active is vital. Walk daily, enjoy the outdoors. It improves everything. Just 30 minutes can make a world of difference. You do not need intense workouts. For many older adults, consistent, gentle activity is enough to improve sleep quality and overall health. Your eating habits also play an important role in sleep quality. The foods you choose during the day can affect your energy, digestion, and nighttime comfort. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These can disturb digestion, increase nighttime awakenings, and reduce sleep quality. If you often wake up to use the bathroom, pay attention to when you drink fluids. Try to stay well hydrated during the day and reduce large amounts of liquid before sleep.
The environment where you sleep matters more than many people realize. Your bedroom should support your brain's natural signals for rest.
I've found that integrating restorative sleep with focused mental exercises significantly enhances my patients' cognitive function and overall well-being.
Create a simple routine before bed. Reading, gentle stretching, meditation, or slow breathing can tell your brain that it is time to prepare for sleep. Another helpful step is tracking your sleep. A simple sleep diary can help you and your doctor understand patterns and identify possible causes. One habit that can greatly improve sleep is reducing screen exposure before bed. The light from phones and tablets can interfere with the signals that help your brain prepare for sleep.
Darkness helps your body produce melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it is time to sleep. Protecting this natural process can make falling asleep easier.
If you wake up at 3 in the morning, avoid creating a stressful situation in your mind. Stay calm and remind yourself that your body can return to sleep.
Slow breathing is one of the simplest ways to calm your nervous system. Taking slow, controlled breaths can reduce tension and help your body return to a restful state. If you remain awake for a long time, do not force yourself to sleep. A quiet activity in low light can help your brain become sleepy again. Welcome. Today, we're going to talk about understanding your health plan.
A sleep problem is sometimes a signal from your body that something needs attention. Finding the cause is the first step toward improving your health.
Together, we can find a personalized solution to improve your sleep and your overall well-being. Let's start this journey today. The most important habit is consistency. Your brain works best when it receives the same signals every day about when to be awake and when to sleep.
Your evening routine should help your body slow down. Avoid activities that create stress or excitement right before bedtime.
Welcome. Today we focus on evening routines for better rest. First, meditation to clear the mind. Then, deep breathing.
The way we spend our days directly impacts the quality of our nights. Healthy activity helps regulate our natural sleep cycle. A healthy lifestyle during the day creates the foundation for better sleep at night. Every positive change you make supports your body as it ages. After 60, quality sleep becomes one of the most important parts of healthy aging. Protecting your sleep means protecting your brain, your heart, and your future quality of life.
Many people believe poor sleep is simply something they must accept as they get older. That is not true. Sleep can often be improved with the right approach.
The key is understanding what your body needs and making changes that support your natural sleep process.
Healthy sleep is not only about the number of hours you spend in bed, it is also about reaching the deeper stages of sleep that allow your body to recover. If you have tried these changes and still wake up every night at 3 in the morning, it may be time to look deeper into the cause with your doctor.
Modern medicine can identify many hidden reasons behind sleep problems. The right diagnosis can lead to the right treatment. The goal is not to sleep perfectly every single night. The goal is to create a healthier pattern that allows your body and mind to recover. Remember, your age does not decide the quality of your sleep. Your daily habits, your health choices, and the care you give your body can make a significant difference.
The most important thing is to be patient with the process. Your sleep pattern did not change overnight, and improving it also requires time and consistency.
Start with 1 or 2 simple changes. For example, getting morning sunlight or keeping a regular bedtime can already begin improving your body's natural rhythm.
Small improvements may seem simple, but over weeks and months they can create meaningful changes in how you sleep and how you feel during the day. Better sleep can give you back more than energy. It can help you stay active, think clearly, enjoy your relationships, and maintain independence as you age. Achieving restorative sleep is crucial for your overall health. Let's explore how to improve your sleep quality. After 60, protecting your sleep is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your long-term health and well-being.
If you often wake up at 3 in the morning, remember that your body may be sending you a message. Listen to it, understand it, and take the right steps to improve your sleep.
A good night's sleep is not a luxury. It is a basic need for your brain, your heart, and your entire body to function properly. The difference between poor sleep and healthy sleep can affect how you feel, how you think, and how well you live each day. Never ignore changes in your sleep that continue for a long time. persistent problems are worth discussing with a healthcare professional. The best results come from combining healthy habits, medical awareness, and understanding the signals your body gives you.
Growing older does not mean giving up the things that make you feel healthy and alive. Good sleep can help you continue enjoying the life you have built. Thank you for watching. Take care of your sleep, listen to your body, and remember that healthier nights can create healthier days. If this information helped you or someone you love, share it with them. A small change in sleep habits today can make a big difference in health tomorrow.